Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with the daily stock market, and look at that. What a green day today. A fantastic day. We're just going to do an update on all these different stocks. Today's Friday. It's a bonus video. I usually don't put out videos today, but here is the video for you guys. So overall, we saw a huge dip in the stock market this last week. Needless to say, a lot of stocks were down big. Here we see a pretty green day. Okay, we see Amazon up 5%. We see Shopify up 13%, Snapchat up 8.7%, Netflix was up 7%, Square up 11%, Robinhood was up 24% just on one day. However, if we look at their lows, they're still down 70% just from their IPO at $10 per share. Kathy Woods has also been adding to her position in Robinhood. We also have Wix up 12%. Okay, after hours also an additional 5%. Upstart was up 16%. Twitter was down considerably to $40 per share. There is news that Elon Musk is delaying the takeover of Twitter, or the acquisition of Twitter, I should say. So Elon Musk is delaying that. You know, there's no guarantee that it's going to happen. And now Twitter is between $38 and $40 per share. So there is a lot of upward potential right now. You know, if Elon Musk ends up acquiring, you'll get bought out at $54 per share. And that would be around a 30% increase on your money if you buy now. And taking into consideration that Elon Musk actually becomes the sole owner of Twitter and the CEO. But right now, it's not looking good. That's why the market is taking that into consideration, and Twitter is selling off right now. Coinbase was even up 25% on one day today. Intraday, it ended up falling around 8%. So Coinbase was one I was looking at. If you watch one of my last videos, under $50 per share, I think is the sweet spot to be buying Coinbase. It only dipped below $50 per share very, very briefly. So even under $55 per share, I think is a great price point. Coinbase could be more of a long-term hold, however, so take your time with something like Coinbase. Don't expect it to bounce back right away. Cryptocurrency absolutely got demolished. I don't know if you guys have saw that. But make sure you follow me at the Daily Cryptocurrency on Instagram if you need more updates on crypto and what's going on there. I also have a full YouTube channel dedicated to all things crypto updates. So overall, from the bottom, $41 per share, to the high, Coinbase was up around 75% just in the span of around 24 to 48 hours. We also saw an article from CN. More than $7 trillion has been wiped out from the stock market just this year alone. So about 5 months, $7 trillion in market value is gone from blue chip stocks in the S&P 500. The index is down nearly 18% since end of December, and the S&P 500 is barely above bear market levels. Example, a 20% decline from a recent closing high, following a 0.1% drop on Thursday. So if you see a 20% decline from highs on the S&P 500, that basically signals that we're officially in a bear market, and we're down 18% from the end of December. Tech stocks have been particularly hit hard. The Nasdaq did manage to eke out a slight gain Thursday, but it plunged 27% this year, putting it into a deep bear market territory. Nearly $3 trillion of the S&P 500 market cap drop is from the tech stock sector. Shares of Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Facebook, Tesla are all deeply in red. Netflix is down more than 70% and is the worst performer in all the S&P 500. We also see charts on PayPal right now going to around 5-year lows, and if you break down the chart, we see a support that was established of January 2018, and we're basically at the same levels today, so we could be bouncing off that support. The current price for PayPal that it's holding on to, and this was last updated May 13th, as you can see. So this current price of around $78 per share is a very important support for for PayPal to be holding on to. And it could be a good time to be buying for long term, right at $78 per share on PayPal, and selling closer to that $120 mark on a swing trade. But mainly, I would be holding my shares of PayPal for a long term. Approaching a $250 price point is where I'm looking to sell most of my shares, especially if I'm buying at a price point of $78 per share. That would be over 100% gain growth potential on something like a PayPal stock from current prices if holding for a long term. And I retweet all this stuff on my official Twitter here at TDSM Stock. So if you ever want more information like we're going over, I retweet very helpful information every single day. So I'd recommend checking it out. Put post notifications on, because there's a lot of interesting people I follow on Twitter that I can't share on my Instagram all the time or on my YouTube. So Twitter is a great place for me to share. Also, if you guys want to get on my close friends list, message me here on Instagram. There's a good chance that the stock market's going to be roaring back and hundreds of percents of gains. 50% gains, 100% gains, 200% gains are definitely going to be had. There's also a huge generational buying opportunity that everyone's talking about right now on not only the stock market, but also cryptocurrency. So make sure, if you don't follow my other page, The Daily Cryptocurrency, follow me there. Cryptocurrency is a great journey to have, especially if you're young and you plan on holding for 5 or 10 years. There's a lot that can happen with stocks and cryptocurrency. Now is a great time to start. Now is a great time to get invested. Everything is at 5-year lows. So it's basically like you started investing in 2018 or a long time ago. Now is we've all been given a second chance to buy more for our long-term future and to hand down to our kids. You know, it'd be pretty cool to give my kid at least 1 Bitcoin or even 0.1 Bitcoin. All right, guys, so share this video with a friend if you want more content like this. If you think they'll find it helpful, like this video, comment below what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.